Scientifically speaking, ang lahat ng parte ng ribs ng lalaki kulang ng isa. Pero ang babae, kompleto. Ibig sabihin, si Army ang nawawalang ribs mo.
Lang kami noon, magkababata, may pagkakataon na mag-aasaran.
Nagsimula kami sa isang asaran. Yung tipong ayoko siyang makikita kasi lagi niya ako inaasar. High school ako noon. Second year siya, third year ako. Tuwing makikita niya ako, lagi niya ako inaasar.
Pero hindi namin na-expect na kami rin pala yung magkakatuluyan.
There's a fire burning deep in my soul. There's a fire burning out of control. Already decided, no running and hiding. Still feel the sand in between my toes.
Hi man, congratulations sa'yo. Napakaswerte mo dahil ako ang nakatuluyan mo. And of course, mas maswerte ako dahil ikaw ang mapapangasawa ko. Ang tagal kong hinintay ang araw na ito. At sa wakas, andito na tayo.
There's a deep end we both jumped in. Feet first when it was sink or swim. Head above water, all our sons and daughters. Standing up against the waves on our own. Growing tired, facing all the unknown. We've seen the stars give us a heavenly show. So we go with a fire burning deep in our soul. When we go with a fire burning deep in our soul. With a fire burning deep in our soul. When we go.
Sa tagal na paghihintay natin, masasabi ko na, this is it. Ito na yun. Ito na yung pinapangarap at pinagdarasal natin. I truly believe na hindi lang ito nagkataon. God planned this moment for us.
My mind hasn't changed a bit. You'll always have my heart, you know. I take you with me every time I go. With a fire burning deep in our soul. When we go with a fire burning deep in our soul. With a fire burning deep in our soul. When we go with a fire burning deep in our soul. You're the fire burning deep in our soul. You're the fire burning deep in our soul.